I would like to congratulate Adriana Hernandez on being named one of Orange Unified's Administrators of the Year. She has been a great addition, bringing a new perspective and new ideas to our team. She is great at what she does, from managing the crews to implementing new programs and improving policies and procedures.
We wanted to thank you on behalf of LTL. You have been selected as the Classified Administrator of the Year by your colleagues. Thank you so much for all that you do, so much.
Thank you, OUSD, for your honor in naming me Classified Administrator of the Year. Thank you for every opportunity I've had here. I'm truly thankful for all the staff, the students, and our community. Thank you.
Congratulations again, Adriana. I'm very happy you are a part of our team.